Wagwan bad people, welcome back. In this one, we have Rygin King, I talk a bag of things about dancehall, plus the artists them. Yeah man, Rygin King also, I talk about Bounty Killer. Such a man, me will just play the live and me gonna hear everything where one king have to say. But first, for everybody who is new to over here, remember just subscribe and feel free to like and leave a comment. Yeah man, make a jump right into it.
You see me? Dancehall, I get a good look in for another day, you see me? Yeah, dog. Yeah. But everybody I'm for live up film career. Alright, you know. I know I'm telling you this, people. Just go and focus for me, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, dog. Focus for me, cause right now, I don't see how everybody a treat Rygin. I have to focus for me. I like my fans them.
Yeah,
dog. I have to focus for me, cause all I put soul, I saw them a deal me. All of them a put soul. Tell you that. Them a go like say, yo, I'm not supposed to be rich because me in a wheelchair. Like them a wait till me walk for me rich. You see me? I say all I post soul them a deal me youth. I'm tell you that. I'm in a mix, I'm in a mingle. You see me? If you don't ask me how I'm doing, I'm quite fine. You see me? You see me? We don't have to talk, say my style, them are living out. We don't have to talk about it, because what I we know is your first style. You see me? I don't need them. I don't know that already. But me I tell you something like when I see dancehall, I go dancehall, I get a good look in. You see me? Especially, I see all of the elder artists them. You see me? The elders in the game. Yes, you know, a blood clot elder, because sometimes I'm not going like an elder, you know. But you know, an elder, brother. You see me? And we respect you know, we look up to you know. You see what I say? And we like how music are going right now. We like how we see the elders them a sell out show. You see me? I not talk just cartel, I talk about Bounty Killer. You see me? I did proud of that show there when I see go on. I see it, I'm proud of it, you know what I mean? A Ground Godzilla, a General, you know what I mean? Man, they get them, me like your vibes, you see me? Yeah, dog. All of the day me hear Killer talk about say, yo. Cause, you know, I go start use my platform and talk anything I want. You see me? Big up Rodney Price himself. You see me? Other day me hear Killer say, yo, post NBA young boy and say, everybody deserve a second chance. You know, me head me and say, yo, Bounty Killer, you don't even know this a man a youth. I know a man sang them, brother. Why you never post me? Eh? You know post me and say, yo, Rygin, a youth where I try and then this and still turn up in this. Man, them a cloud chase some of youth, some of them are money, brother. I don't like some of my style them where them are going with youth. I see you on the youth. You see me? When better not pick out the wrong part out of that, you know. Because I know the time and love pick out some part out of the story them, brother. And post them and say, yo, ooh, when you pick out a good narrative. You see what I say? Remember say we say fucking 4K tray as young youth. The whole of we. You understand? A real talk, me I telling you, brother. Me see pussy them a go around me. Every one of them. You see me? See them a go around me, dog. You know what I mean? But I'm going to use that. I win.
What's the unity in a dance?
No unity in a dance. Everybody will look hype from where, what nowadays youth. I really think, brother. Go where you come from, brother. You see me? Yeah, dog. But differently from that still, my fans them. Me there and want to know so me alright and the show them I go big when me come outside, you see me? And I go and do some America run. You see me? Until me can leave the country. Go and do some America run. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Well, Caribbean country, them soon forward. Just know, say, yo, time do everything. You know what I mean? Show them I got big believe. I mean, know everybody I got turn out. You see me? Yeah. But until then, I just want to know, say, yo, man strong out here. I'm weak out here. I just need enough to show me the support, you know? Not more than that. Remember, me not ask for no pity. You understand? Yeah. Remember, me say it in the outside, you know? I'm the king of the city, they show me love and no pity, you know? We're quite fine, you know what I mean? I'm more showing you something again, too. Because I see me see everything more while, you know, I'm going like me not see it, you know? You see me? And them see things too, I'm going like they not see. Pussy enough for them. You see me? And someone don't know, say, I don't like me, brother. I don't like me, dog. I don't know. Brother, I don't like me, brother. I don't like you, need a youth. Worse, no, say youth. Me anti-social, I don't like you, youth. You see me? I don't like you, need a brother. You see me? I don't feel me, I don't mind me, brother. You see me? I don't tap nothing for me, my dog. You can only bad mind, you know what I mean? And do some style. You see me? Also, my pussy them way. No, say, yo, alright, me I don't know I used to. Me I don't used to link, me I don't used to. Brother, you don't like me, brother. Me not like you, need a brother. You don't stay far from me, me stay far from you. You don't know a thing, bro. You see me? Because I don't do whole heap of, what you call that now? Whole heap of damage, you know. You see me? You don't know, say I don't do whole heap of damage. You know what I mean? Yeah, dog, I don't do whole heap of damage, dog. You just stay far from me, stay far from you, said way. You don't know gonna make me not rich. Me still I go rich. You see me? Yeah, dog. I'm not really business what go happen to you now. Ambition me have, you know. When somebody have ambition, that different, you know. You see me, I say? Man, tell them, dog.
Believe on.
Yeah, bro. I wanna think them. You know what I mean?
Ambition.
Ambition priceless, man. You see me? When you have ambition, it's priceless. Someone confused more while, you know, sit down and wonder, say, yo, how the dog still look so good? Yeah, the dog still up and running. Fuck, I don't know. For sing song, yeah, artist. Head boss and me him to the target. Dutch them pull up now the yard. Yeah, my friend, them clean with the 4 and the 5 and the 40s.
So you can see the entertainer had a lot where him wanted to like get off on chest, you know what I mean? But yeah man, big up to one king, Rygin King. You don't know say Rygin King a bad artist already. But you know, after what happened to the entertainer, I'm just kinda I try to find back himself and you know recover. You know. But yeah man, big up to one Rygin King. Viewers and subscribers when I think about all of what the entertainer to say about, you know, Dancehall and Bounty Killer. I'm just leaving a take down below, and like I said before, if you're new to over here, just, you know, feel free to subscribe and, you know, big up on yourself.